Hi guys, Carl with MarineMax here at Panama City Beach. Got the pleasure of showing you new to our lot, a brand new 2026 Fisherman 257 by Grady-White. Standing in the bow here, you can see it's already got the filler cushion, casting platform. So if you like to do the fishing from the front, you have plenty of space to do that. You're windlass. You got the bow shade if you want to put the bow shade up, forward seating of the helm. As we work our way down to the helm, you've got, this boat's already fully outfitted with Garmin electronics, so twin Garmin 12-inch screens. You have your joystick, you have your autopilot, you have your Garmin radar, VHF. This boat has outriggers. It is fully loaded and ready to go. All right, working our way into the cockpit, signature Grady-White fish box in the transom, live well to the port side. The boat is powered by twin Yamaha 200s, color matching with that famous Grady-White white, as we call it. This boat is brand new, beautiful setup, outfitted, ready to rock. Come sit here at MarineMax. My name's Carl.